Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your friend Samuel Tukumana, well known as Dr. Sam, aka the Z Traveler. I am in the heart of Southern Province, guys, Southern Province of Zambia. For those of you that do not know where Zambia is in Africa. And of course, Zambia has 10 provinces, and one of them is Southern Province, and that's where I am. But I'm in the capital of Southern Province. Guys, today is a day that I am responding to one of your questions. And one question in particular was, how do you set your date and your time on your Hero Xpulse 200? Of course, I'm going to show you very quickly. Yeah, so let's get right to it, guys. So guys, this is what we are working with right here. So this is the dash for the Hero Xpulse 200. Of course, this is your parking, and of course this is neutral, ABS, and of course your speedometer right there, and you have your gears there, and of course the mileage. This vehicle has moved, guys. This machine has moved, guys. I have really put it to the test. And of course, here's the date right here. So let's go to the question. Yeah, and right here, I almost forgot. Right here are two buttons, guys. The only two buttons on this dash. So there's one labeled S and there's one labeled M. I want to believe the M is for mode and the S is for select. I could be wrong, but that makes sense to me. Okay, so how do we start to change either the date or the changeables here, or the date and all that? So you pretty much press hold these two, and this hour provision here, hour provision will begin to flicker. It will begin to do that. Then you have to go to another one. So let me show you quickly. Let us press hold. You've seen that, guys. It's already doing that. So at this point you can choose the time, and right here this is 6 p.m. but I'm going with a 24-hour clock. And so if I want to change something, you see, I'll move to that, and I'll go to minutes using the mode, and I'll pretty much go to the year. And if I wanted, like for example, this is the year. Okay, let's do that again. Let me show you. Let's go, flicker. It's already doing it, guys. So I'm going to go on select, and there you go. Just like that, by selecting, you can get to your desired hour. And for me, it's 18. Oh my word, I went past it. Let's go back, and that's 18. But once I'm done with that, I go to mode, and that will shift to minutes. And Let me put 27, you know, and that is fine for me. The year changes again, so we are in 2024. Using the select button or button, there it changes. So we have changed the year, and let's go to the month. We're in November, and let's go to the date, and of course we're on the 12th. So that is how you change your figures, guys, on your dash. See how simple that is. So with, of course, the first step, you press hold, and then this part right here will start to flicker, signaling that you can now use the select button or the select button to change or to go up the numbers or down the numbers. So you work around that. If you are done, you easily go to the mode, which will shift you to another provision, which in this case is post number, in the minutes, and you pretty much go like that. Once you are satisfied, you are good. Let's try to do it one more time. I can see that it's back on 12th of October. You see that? Let's go. So let's go to mode, because that's all good for me. So I go to select, and that's 24, and I go to the date, select November. I go to the thingy. Okay, I'm good, and we are good right there. So, guys, that is how you change your digits or pretty much your time and date on your Hero Xpulse. That is very simple. I try to take my time, and I hope you have understood. If there's any question, of course, do let me know. This is Hero Xpulse 2022 model. Yeah, pretty much 200cc. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, of course, let's get in touch. I'll put my email in the comment section, in the description below, and we pick it up from there, guys. So, from me, um, in the heart of Choma, Southern Province, it's bye for now and be blessed. Cheers.